Hi hi! Today I'll cook red wine stew at the butcher. I said I'd like to cook beef stew, so which one do you recommend? That's why I'm not sure this beef. What part of the beef? I don't know. So, ingredients. This one about 500 grams. Moderate amount of pepper and salt and flowers. Yes. Next, chopped onion and garlic, carrot, garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, and canned tomatoes, about 400 grams, 2 sprigs of rosemary, and red wine, 400 milliliter, water, 400 milliliter, honey and sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey and sauce. That's it. Alright, I might add something else depending on the taste. Oh well, let's get cooked. First, put 40 grams of butter in a pot and sear beef. At first, low heat, next high heat. Put olive oil in a pan. Sorry, I couldn't stand. And fry chopped vegetables until wilted. Transfer them to a pot. Add 600 milliliters of red wine, canned tomatoes, 400 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons of sauce. Medium concentrated sauce is okay, but I used okonomiyaki sauce. And 2 tablespoons of honey. Finally, add 2 sprigs of rosemary and stew for about 1 hour.完成です。食べてみたいと思います。お肉柔らか。美味しいです。実は味付けだいぶ足しました。何足したっけ？コンソメと韓国のガシジャっていうビーフ系の調味料みたいな粉末のやつ入れたり、あと醤油もちょっと入れたかも。結構足しました。っていうか多分ワインと水がもっと少なくてよかったのかも。でもまあ美味しいです。また別の料理作ってみたいと思います。では今回はこの辺で。ドゥイドゥーイ。